Hi, are you here for the 30-day law of attraction crash course? Well, we're about to get started. Come on in. Hello, my positive peeps. This is Lori, your positivity princess. Welcome to the Lori Show. For the entire month of August, I've been doing a 30-day law of attraction crash course for beginners. If you find the law of attraction fascinating, click that thumbs up button. Show some love. Also, leave a comment real quick. Let me know how much experience that you have with the law of attraction. Are you a beginner? Are you a pro? Are you somewhere in the middle? Inquiring minds would love to know. Okay, so each video in this crash course will flow nicely into the next video, like a continuous course. Today's day 11. Click here to start at day 1, at the beginning. Each video is under 10 minutes so that we can be mindful of your time. And I put a timestamp where the actual lesson begins. Also, don't forget the workbook. There's a free link down in the description so that you can print that out and follow along for the rest of the 30 days. For a recap for day 1 to 10, you can also go to the description as well. We are still in the ask step of the 3-step process. Now that you know what you want, I hope you do, but if you don't, that's okay. Just go with something more general, like feeling good, being healthy, financial freedom, something like that, okay? Anyways, now we want to tell the universe what we want and put the desire out there. We will do 2 actions in order to do this. I love doing actions. I feel like I'm getting somewhere. They're so powerful. Okay, action number 1 is to create something called a statement of desire, and action number 2 is to create a vision board. Both of these are awesome, and I have another video for each of these steps as well. So if you feel like you need more instruction or a little more in depth, then you can go to those links, okay? Okay, in Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich, he says for the reader to create a statement of desire. For this printable, click on the link in the description as well. He says that the first step to achieving or attaining anything begins with the thoughts, and that thought creates a feeling. Sound familiar? The feeling he is talking about, lovingly, is called burning desire. I've included a template as well. You will use this to state in words in writing what you want, what you will give to get it, and optionally you can also put a date, but some would say to leave this out. I say do what feels right and what makes sense for whatever your desire is. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys my statement of desire there. Okay, you will write your statement, and then in the morning and at night, you'll repeat it out loud if possible. Even if you just do it in your head, if you feel embarrassed, that's okay, but out loud is more powerful. Say it with a feeling of burning desire, love, and excitement. So now I want you to create a vision board. I have 2 vision board videos, check those out. One will tell you how to make a vision board, and the other one will tell you what to do with it once it's created. A vision board is a powerful tool to communicate to the universe your burning desires. You might be saying, teacher, why do we have to do both? Well, we don't want to leave anything to chance. The statement uses words and the vision board uses images. So this will send your message and your desire to the universe at lightning speed. Besides, we are all different. So a method that works for one person may not work for another person as well. So doing both covers all the bases. Okay, my most intelligent, beautiful, wonderful, positive, amazing students, thank you so much for watching this. And for coming to class today. Tomorrow we shall continue with the next lesson. Don't forget, if you have not already, please click that subscribe button and that bell notification so you don't miss the next lesson, and also don't be late. Have a glorious day and be positive. I love you guys. Okay, here we go. We are still in the we are still in the ask step. Come over here. Okay, get the tail out. Okay, come here. Okay.